I'll be showing you the top free affiliate marketing apps for your Shopify store. For each of these apps, we'll be taking a look at their features, pricing, and reviews, and I think you'll really like the selection we have today. First up, it's called AfterShip Referral and Affiliate, and it makes it really easy to set up powerful referral programs, allowing you to get customers and promote your store. It also makes it easy to create referral links and reward referrals automatically. You can build customizable reward programs and adding things such as customizable discounted amounts and a minimum order subtotal. It makes it easy to launch these affiliate campaigns so you can drive more sales with affiliates. You can also send influencer outreach emails, and it lets you customize the outreach pitch and communicate the campaign offer effectively. As mentioned, it is completely free here, and in terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 2.4 thousand 5-star reviews with a 4.9 star rating. Merchants appreciate this app for enhancing customer experiences and increasing sales through effective affiliate and referral marketing. Its free plan offers significant value, featuring customizable commission structures, detailed analytics, and user-friendly interface. Next up, we have an app called Jacka Affiliate Marketing, and it makes it easy to create your new campaign, invite affiliates, as well as track orders. With this app, you can create and manage unlimited affiliates, coupons, links, and set up things such as discount rules. Overall, a clean looking interface as well. This lets you improve sales around affiliate partners and lets you customize it to match your brand style. As mentioned, it is completely free, and in terms of reviews, sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 135 5-star reviews. If we take a look at the latest review here, this merchant says the Jacka app has worked extremely well for them, and the interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. Next up, we have affiliate marketing short link, and it makes it easy to supercharge your online store with affiliate marketing, referrals, and short links. It lets you create unlimited affiliate programs and recruit affiliates and influencers. It also has features such as excluding low return products, and you can create a different commission structure per affiliate. You can also incentivize them to reach their goals with attractive bonus commissions. In terms of reviews, sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 19 5-star reviews. If we take a look at one of the latest reviews here, this merchant says that the support was quick and efficient, and it made the process of getting set up much easier. Lastly, we have an app called Trusted Affiliate Marketing that lets you set up personalized rules for each client, influencer, or friend. It makes it easy to create discounts for your customers via coupons or affiliate links, as well as giving you advanced affiliate performance insights and statistics, letting you effortlessly track referral orders through affiliate links and coupon codes. In terms of reviews, sitting at a perfect 5 stars with 3 5-star reviews. This latest review here from a merchant said that it made it easy to have great looking affiliate links for their collaborators, and they added a feature for them almost instantly, and it's been really nice and helpful throughout the process. If you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money your store has actually made, and that's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in. It's a one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for, like the last 7 days. You're going to get real-time analytics and calculations, summarizing everything in an easy-to-understand dashboard. It's going to sync seamlessly with all your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Snapchat, Bing, Pinterest, and TikTok, along with many cost of goods sold providers like CJ Dropshipping or AliExpress. From there, you're also going to get a lot of different analytics and metrics so you can make smarter business decisions. There's a free 15-day trial so you can test drive everything out for yourself. There's a link in the description below that's going to bring you to the Shopify app listing. Before I go, I want to mention that if you're looking for a Shopify theme optimized for conversions that allows you to turn window shoppers into instant buyers, you should check out my very own Conversion Booster Pro, and it saves you up to $1,944 a year on app subscriptions. There's a link in the description below, so make sure you check that out. This concludes the video here on the top free affiliate marketing apps for your Shopify store. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.